Namaste Gurukulians. So today we are going to start a GK unit first animal world. Okay. So see here, I made a puzzle. Okay, and you have to complete this puzzle with the given words. Okay, and first of all you have to try to complete this puzzle with the word. Okay, see some vacant space is there and you need to fill this vacant space with appropriate word. Okay, I'll make you some clues. Okay, with the help of those clues we will complete it. Okay, so first of all see here, we have total 7 questions here. First one is here, means this complete sentence you need to be complete. 2 or 3 vacant spaces are there, you need to complete it. Second question is in downward direction. Fourth question from here to here in this direction. Third one, fifth, sixth and seventh question. That means we have total 7 questions here. Okay, see dear students, we know that earth is full of thousands of species of animals like birds and insects, and they all are wonderful. Okay, so here we have some animals name, okay, of different region, and I'll give you some clues. Okay, first of all you have to think about it for 10 seconds, then I'll fill. Okay, so I'll give you a clue for the first question. See, it is a type of dinosaurs with wings but they couldn't fly. Listen again, a type of dinosaur with wings but they couldn't fly. ये क्या है हमारे पास, डायनासोर का एक टाइप है जिसकी विंग्स होती हैं बट ये फ्लाई नहीं कर सकता. ओके, कैन यू थिंक? सो इट्स नेम इज pterosaurs. ओके, PTE, what will come here? ROSAURS. So it will be our answer. Okay, see now second question. It started from here, it is the vacant space, downward direction. So you need to fill here. It started from here. 1 and 2, 3 words you need to fill here. First of all listen the clue. Okay, it is a South American animal used for meat, milk and carrying loads. Listen again, it is a South American animal used for meat, milk and carrying loads. So what will be the answer? Answer is llama. Okay, so what will come here? LLAMA. So answer is complete, llama. Okay, so see, go on the third question. It is a third question, you need to go likewise. Okay, and the clue is a nocturnal animal living in burrows. A nocturnal animal living in burrows. Okay, what will be answer? It's Arctic fox. Okay, so we have to fill it. It's Arctic fox. Okay, so answer is completed. See now, check the fourth question. Where is a fourth question? It is here. Okay, and what is the main clue for it? A clue is that it is a South American animal and it hangs upside down from branches of trees. Okay, listen again once. A South American animal, it hangs upside down from the branches of trees. What will be the answer? It's Slothosaur. It's the Slothosaur. So what will come here? Slothzaar. Sorry. Okay, so check our fifth question. Where is fifth question? It is here. Okay, and if we talk about clue, what clue we can give here? See, mainly it is found in the Komodo Islands in Indonesia. It is found in Komodo Island in Indonesia. What will be the answer? Answer will be Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Okay, so now check where is our sixth question. Where is our sixth question? Sixth one is here. J space is there, G U space is there, and then R. So listen the clue for it. See, mainly it is found in Central and South America, and it is the largest cat. Generally it is found in Central and South America, and it is the largest cat. What will be the answer for it? Answer is it's the jaguar. Okay, so fill here jaguar, Jaguar. Okay, it is our answer. So now our last question is R space is there, IN space is there, EER means you need to fill one word here and one word here to complete the sentence. Okay, so complete the word, which animal it is, and the clue is means the animal used to carry loads in the snow. It is the animal which is used to carry loads in snow. What will be the answer? It's reindeers. REINDEER. Okay, so it is our first unit, that name is animal word, and we have completed this puzzle. Okay, so now we will start with the next unit. It was quite easier one in first unit because it's too interesting also to complete the puzzles. Okay. So our next is wonder birds. Wonder birds. See beta, everybody loves birds, and birds make our world beautiful, and some birds are talkative also. Like if we talk about the parrot, it's too much talkative, and it seems good when any parrot is speaking, any bird is speaking, it seems quite good. And moreover, if it is the talkative bird, means everybody wants to keep it at their home. Okay, generally students knows that some people used to keep the parrot as their pet at home. Okay, and whatever they told them, they just start to speak likewise. Okay, so in this very unit I'll give you some 5 questions. Okay, with those 5 questions we will complete 5 questions we will do here, and I'll give you some option also. Okay, it's the multiple choice question, and first of all I'll give you 5 to 10 seconds to give the answer. Okay, so our first question is that which feature, first question is which feature make birds unique. कि बर्ड्स के अंदर ऐसा कौन सा फीचर होता है कि जो उनको यूनिक बनाता है, जो उनको अद्भुत बनाता है, सबसे डिफरेंट जो उनको बनाता है. Here I am going to give you some option. Okay, first is being able to fly, being able to fly. Okay, second is having feathers, and last one is laying eggs. What will be the answer? ओके, सो यू नीड टू गिव द आंसर हेयर कि बीइंग एबल टू फ्लाई, कि जो बर्ड्स हैं वो उड़ सकते हैं, क्या वो इसलिए यूनिक हैं? सेकंड, दे हैव फीदर्स, क्या वो इसलिए यूनिक हैं? लास्ट इज कि वो एग देते हैं, अंडे देते हैं, दे लेइंग एग्स, क्या वो इसलिए यूनिक हैं? क्या आंसर हो सकता है? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. Our answer will be having feathers. It will be our answer कि हमारे जो birds हैं वो क्यों यूनिक होते हैं, क्या उनके अंदर यूनिक प्रॉपर्टी है? मेनली that they having feathers. So our next question is which of these birds have giant pouches that can hold up to 13 liters of water. Means which of these birds have giant pouches that can hold up to 13 liters of water? I'll give you here some option. First is ostrich, second is stork, and third is pelicans. Means as in हमारे पास क्या है, ये 3 ऑप्शन है एंड आउट ऑफ ऑल दीज 3 ऑप्शन ऐसा कौन सा बर्ड है जिसकी बॉडी सरफेस पे जाइंट बड़े बड़े, जाइंट मीन टू से विशाल, बड़े बड़े, ओके, बिग पाउचेस प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिनके अंदर कैपेसिटी कि वो 13 लीटर वाटर को होल्ड करके रख सकता है. ओके, सो विच बर्ड इट इज? इट इज पेलिकन्स. इट विल बी आवर आंसर. ओके, सो आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ दीज बर्ड्स कैन फ्लाई? थर्ड इज विच ऑफ these birds can fly? Our options are kiwi, emu and crow. First is kiwi, second is emu and third is crow. Means I have given you these 3 birds and out of all these 3 birds which bird can fly? And it's quite simple question. You might know the answer of this question. See, kiwi and emu, we know that they both are not able to fly. Crow, it's the very common bird, सभी को पता है. कौवा सभी को पता है, crow के बारे में सभी जानते हैं. That means it can fly. So what is our answer? It is our answer. Okay, it's quite easy and interesting one. Fourth question is which part of bird's body is called talons? Is called talons. And options are beak, claws and wings. First is beak, second is wings and C is claws. Okay, so here we have some option. क्वेश्चन इज कि बर्ड्स की बॉडी का ऐसा कौन सा पार्ट है जिसको हम टेलोन्स के नाम से जानते हैं? पार्ट्स आर बीक, विंग्स और क्लॉज. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? क्लॉज विल बी आंसर. ओके, सो दीज आर द 4 क्वेश्चन. 1 more question is left. Our last question is, what is the study of birds called? कि बर्ड्स की स्टडी को क्या बोलते हैं? एंड हेयर वी हैव 3 टर्म. आपको एक टर्म का नाम बताना है कि जिसके अंदर बर्ड्स की स्टडी हम करते हैं, उस टर्म का नेम क्या है. ओके, सो आवर फर्स्ट इज पैलिएंटोलॉजी. फर्स्ट इज पैलिएंटोलॉजी. Second is herpetology. And last is ornithology. ओके, जहाँ पर बर्ड्स की स्टडी हम करते हैं, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट टर्म? उस टर्म का नेम क्या है? इट इज कॉल्ड ornithology. Okay, so beta you have to take the screenshot of all these questions because answers are here. Okay, moreover you will get the PDF also of all the chapters, but here answers are there, so you can tick easily. Okay, so in this very chapter we have to discuss about two things. 2 unit we have discussed. First is animal world and second is wonder birds. Okay, 5 main questions we have discussed and we have discussed about the puzzle also, so you need to learn all these things. Okay, and tomorrow again we will start with the new topic and new concept. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.